दिस इज़ अ नेक्स्ट टॉपिक विच इज़ अ ह्यूमन रिसोर्स मैनेजमेंट। अभी हमने कहा, पीछे पढ़ा था कि स्टाफिंग इज़ अ सेपरेट फंक्शन ऑफ in organizations or departments. Nowadays it's become very important because every companies want to get a qualified persons with the competencies that they can tackle every types of activities, every types of problems related to their jobs. They should be well matured, they should be coordinated, they should be fully equipped with all types of knowledge. So now this importance of selection of the better person is growing. That's where the human resource management concept is generated, that is evolved and getting more importance. That's why we are listening some here. HR department, what is HR department? This is human resource department. And in human resource department, the manager is human resource manager. What is the job and profile of human resource department or human resource manager? They have to make available the competent and efficient human resources. This is the job of human resource department. They have to search for the better, efficient and competent employees for the vacant post as and when it is required in the organization, because all means of productions are useless even when there is no competent persons to use them. So it is a job of human resource management. So what is a human resource management? It refers to that part of management process which dwells and manages the human elements of the enterprise. Dwells and manages means it's a very complicated job which is performed nowadays by the human resource management. It is a branch of management which is concerned with the recruitment, selection, development, optimum use of employees, and human resource management ensures that every employee makes his maximum contribution to the achievement of business goals. Means this is a responsibility of human resource management, to search out, to find out, to select, to develop by training and development programs, and to keep in watch that every employee should be properly motivated so that they can so that every employee makes the maximum contribution. So all these are the jobs of HR manager. What is the evolution of HRM? हम अभी HRM को जानते हैं, उससे पहले इनके नाम अलग अलग स्टेजेस है. थर्ड स्टेज है ये. इससे पहले हम इसको लेबर वेलफेयर स्टेज बोलते थे. ये कब होता था? When the business used to be a small scale, there was a need of only one person who can create a link between the employer and employee. Means there is a need of the middleman who can be a part or which can perform as a job of attachments or links between the employer and employees. And at that time the trade unions, under the trade unions were very popular, and the labor welfare officer was appointed for this. There was a labor welfare officer whose work was to provide minimum welfare facilities to the employees. That was the era of very small scale business. One employer and small little bit employees. There is a need of the middleman. That middleman named is labor welfare officer, and that is called labor welfare stage. Then personal management stage, when expansion of business done, there was a many people start getting employment, because when the business is large there is a need of many persons. Means there is a need of appointment of many persons, employees, and there is a need to fill. The job was to the person whose job was to make employees available for the company. Means there is a need to get the person who will make available the employees to the company. So personal officer, after that it is called personal managers, a post was generated, and his work was to recruit, select and place the employees. His work was only to appoint the employees. Now this is the latest stage, HRM stage, related to the employees, which is the latest stage. Fast, whenever the competition is high, simultaneously the technology was developing at fast stage. The need was felt for training and development of employees, not only to search, appoint or to motivate, but to develop the employees also. And with this ideology, personal managers were replaced by human resource manager, and his job is to effectively manage the pupils so that they remain a part of organization for a long time. Effectively manage means the whole responsibility of managing the employees of the organizations lies on the shoulder of HRM, human resource management or human resource manager. This is a poster profile on the in the latest organization structure. So this is the third stage. First was the labor welfare stage, under which the trade union was organized and a labor welfare officer was appointed as a post. And a personal manager stage, when the business grow, there's a need of getting the more employees. So availability of more employees are done with the help of the personal officers or personal manager. But HRM stage is there not only to appoint the persons but also to look after the persons, that they will be satisfied with the organizations and they will be the part of the organization for a long times. So what types of jobs are performed by HRM, that is important task. Now some question is given, staffing is a part of HRM. Yes, we will say staffing is a part of HRM. HRM is a broader concept than the staffing, or we can say specialized duties and activities of human resource management. What activities are performed by the human resource management? Not only staffing, not only to appoint a person. After that, beyond this, they also perform many activities. What activities they have to perform as a HR manager? So HR managers nowadays performing many activities. We can see here. First is recruitment, that is a part of staffing. The primary function of human resource manager is to find out the number of employees required by the organizations and make provision for their recruitment. To discharge this function, he indulges himself in the activities like recruitment, selection, training, placement, training, promotion, transfer, etc. So first is the staffing. As we have said in the question, staffing is a part of human resource management. Yes, staffing is a part of human resource management because the first function of HRM, human resource manager, human resource management, is staffing. First is not only recruitment, you can replace this point as staffing, means they have to recruit, select, place, train and promote and transfer. All these are the part of staffing. Means staffing is only the one function of HR है. इसके अलावा कौन से फंक्शन करने होते हैं? जब स्टाफ आ जाता है तो उसके बाद क्या करना होगा कि वो स्टाफ सेटिस्फाई रहे, वो प्रॉपरली इक्विप्ड रहे न्यू नॉलेज के साथ, साथ में वो उस कंपनी का पार्ट बना रहे और इनिशिएटिव लेके काम करे. तो इस सब के लिए बहुत सारे काम से करने पड़ते हैं. फर्स्ट सेकंड इज प्रोवाइडिंग एक्सपर्ट सर्विसेज. Human resource manager renders certain services which require special knowledge, their job evaluation, performance appraisal, negotiating with trade unions. Sometimes there may be the conflict between the management and the employees, so they will help to settle down all these problems. Then developing compensation and incentive plans, means what will be the salary package, what will be the promotion policies, how they will be selected, how they will be promoted. All these structures will be framed or that will be planned by the HR manager. So human resource manager conducts research from time to time with the aim of improving upon the policies concerning personnel. तो ऑर्गेनाइजेशन ने जो पॉलिसीज़ बनाई है उसको रेगुलर स्टडी करता है कि आज के टाइम के अकॉर्डिंग वो पॉलिसी सुटेबल है या नहीं है. सच एज अ न्यू कंपनसेशन एंड इंसेंटिव प्लान्स दे आल्सो इन्वॉल्व्ड. तो सारी प्लानिंग वो करता है, पैकेज वगैरह जो है वो पॉलिसीज़ है वो सही है कि नहीं उसको भी देखता है वो. नाउ फोर्थ, हैंडलिंग ग्रीवेंसेस एंड कंप्लेंट्स. अगर एम्प्लॉयज़ के बीच में दोनों बहुत सारे एम्प्लॉयज़ के बीच में या एम्प्लॉयर्स और एम्प्लॉयज़ के बीच में कुछ कन्फ्लिक्ट्स हो जाते हैं, झगड़े हो जाते हैं, तो उनकी कंप्लेंट सुनना, रजिस्टर करना, उनका सोल्यूशन निकालने का काम भी इसी को करना है. सो इट इज़ अ रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी ऑफ ह्यूमन रिसोर्स मैनेजर टू एस्टैब्लिश कोर्डियल रिलेशंस बिटवीन द एम्प्लॉयर्स एंड एम्प्लॉयज़. टू डू दिस ही परफॉर्म बोथ द पार्टीज अबाउट द एक्सपेक्टेशन ऑफ ईच अदर्स, informs both the parties about the expectation of each others. In the event of disputes arising between them, occasionally he serve as a pacifier. ठीक है, वो शांति बनाने का काम करता है दोनों के बीच में, एक दूसरे का कम्युनिकेटर का काम करे, दोनों के बीच में मिडल मैन का काम करेगा. देन फिफ्थ इज़ प्रोवाइडिंग फॉर सोशल सिक्योरिटी एंड वेलफेयर ऑफ एम्प्लॉयज़. एम्प्लॉयज़ की जितनी भी स्कीम्स होती हैं वो सारी इसके अंडर आती हैं. ही हैज़ टू formulate the policies to provide social security and welfare of employees. These policies cover different aspects of employees like recruitment policy, selection policy, promotion policy, retirement policies. While formulating these policies, human resource manager keeps in mind the interest of both of the organizations as well as employees. Now sixth is defending the company in lawsuits. कई बार कोई झगड़ा हो जाता है, कोई केस फाइल हो जाता है कंपनी के अगेंस्ट, तो उस केस में जो भी केस है उसको डिफेंड करने की पूरी जिम्मेदारी ह्यूमन रिसोर्स मैनेजर के पास होती है. इन इंडिया गवर्नमेंट हैज़ पास सेवरल legislative measures relating to the employees such as Workmen Compensation Act, Employees State Insurance Act. It is a function of HR manager to enforce the provisions of such act in his organizations. तो जो भी सूट्स वगैरह होते हैं वो इस तरह की कोई प्रॉब्लम ना आए, इसके लिए ज़रूरी है कि जो ह्यूमन रिसोर्स मैनेजर है वर्कर से रिलेटेड जितने भी एक्ट बने हैं उसको वो स्टडी करे और उस एक्ट के जितने भी रूल्स हैं वो अपनी ऑर्गेनाइजेशंस में फॉलो करे, ताकि इस तरह की कोई झगड़े या फिर केस करने की कोई प्रॉब्लम्स ना आए, और आ भी जाए तो फिर वो उसको सेटल करते हैं. ना कीपिंग पर्सनल रिकॉर्ड्स आल्सो, दिस इज़ अ इम्पॉर्टेंट वर्क विच इज़ परफॉर्म बाय द ह्यूमन रिसोर्स मैनेजर, कितने एम्प्लॉयज़ हैं, किस ऑर्गेनाइजेशंस में हैं, कब ज्वाइन किया था, कितने लोगों का क्या पे स्किल्स है, कब रिटायर हो रहे हैं, कब प्रमोट हो रहे हैं, कब ट्रेनिंग की ज़रूरत है, कब ट्रांसफ़र है, क्या रेमुनरेशंस हैं। तो इन सारा जो रिकॉर्ड मिलेगा वो फ्यूचर के लिए, रेफरेंस के लिए जितना भी रिकॉर्ड है, वो पर्सनल रिकॉर्ड्स जितना भी होता है वो एचआर मैनेजर के पास होता है। नाउ 8 है डेवलपिंग द ऑर्गेनाइजेशन स्ट्रक्चर्स। ह्यूमन रिसोर्स मैनेजर्स रिव्यू द ऑर्गेनाइजेशन स्ट्रक्चर्स एंड ऑफर्स सजेशंस टू मेक इट मोर इफेक्टिव। तो ह्यूमन रिसोर्स मैनेजर का काम होता है, ह्यूमन रिसोर्स मैनेजर का काम होता है कि वो उसको देखते रहे कि ऑर्गेनाइजेशन में किसी और पोस्ट की रिक्वायरमेंट तो नहीं है और कोई पोस्ट हटानी तो नहीं है, तो इस तरह की वो रिक्वायरमेंट सजेशंस वो टॉप लेवल तक सेंड करता रहता है। तो ऑल दिस आर द फंक्शंस ऑफ एचआर मैनेजर। और फर्स्ट फंक्शन इज स्टाफिंग, सो वी कैन से दैट स्टाफिंग इज ओनली वन फंक्शन of HR, even then other than the staffing they are also performing many functions. So HRM, human resource management, is more wider than the staffing.